Let's move towards our next question, which is question number 8. In the question 8, we are given with the length, height and density of a solid pyramid with square base. We have to find out the mass. First of all, write the formula of volume. Volume is equals to 1 by 3 into base area into height. We know that the base of our pyramid is square. So what is the formula of area of square? It is length multiplied by length. So in the volume formula, I am doing the base area also. So 1 by 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. I have highlighted it or underlined it with the red pen. So you will get and see this is actually the base area of square, and which is length multiplied by length. So 6 multiplied by 6 and multiplied by height, which is 7. So we got the volume 84 centimeter cube. The next is you have given the density. So density formula is density is equals to mass multiplied by mass divided by volume. Density represented by rho. Rho multiplied by volume, then you will get mass. We are given with density and we have find out the volume. Put both the values here and you will get the mass. This is the mass, but we have to find out the mass of 4 papers. For the 4 papers, you have to multiply this value with 4 and you will get the mass of 4 papers. Actually, the mass is of 1 paper. 3.1 multiplied by 84 is the mass of 1 paper. To find the mass of 4 paper, you have to multiply it by 4 and you will get the answer. This is your mass. Now moving towards our question number 10, which is you are given with a pyramid having rectangular base and you are given with a slant height. You have to find out the height and the volume. I have drawn the picture here. Look at the picture first. You are given with the side AB, which is 15 centimeter, BC, which is 9 centimeter, and VQ, the slant height, which is 16 centimeter. You have to find out the height. The height of the pyramid is actually the red line which is representing by VP from apex to the midpoint of your you say rectangular base or any base of the pyramid. From apex to the midpoint, this is your height called. Okay, so to find out the height VP, you are seeing that it is VP, PQ and VQ. It becomes a right angle triangle when I have drawn it. Okay, so you can see PQ is parallel to AB and you also see it is the half of AB. So to find out PQ is the half of AB and is parallel, so it must be equal in length, but because it is half, so you have to divide 15 by 2 and you will get the length of PQ, which is 7.5 centimeter. Next, you see the right angle triangle. Now look at the right angle triangle, which is VPQ. You are known with PQ, which is 7.5 centimeter, and VQ, which is 16 centimeter. The unknown side is VP. In right angle triangle, you can find the one side by using the Pythagoras theorem, which is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Here I have put the values, and to find the VP, 7.5 square is adding on the right hand side. When it goes to left hand side, it will be subtracted. So we have to find out the VP. You have to take the square root of this value and we'll get the answer VP or PV, which is equal to 14.1 centimeter. Our next step is to find the volume. First part is height, which is done, and height is PV. Okay. Next is volume. Volume is equals to 1/3 multiplied by base area multiplied by height. The base of this pyramid is rectangle, so I have find out the area below, which is area formula is length multiplied by breadth of a rectangle. So length is given, breadth is given, and we will get the answer 135 centimeter square. Put the value in the formula of the volume, 1/3 multiplied by area multiplied by height, and you will get the answer volume 636 centimeter cube. The next question number 11 and question number 12 are same. You have to find out the given length, you must say height, by using the similar way Pythagoras theorem. And in question number 11, see the question 10 figure. I am explaining this question 11 figure with this figure. You can see that AB is parallel to PQ. And if you know the side length of AB, which is 15, so you get the answer of PQ side, which is 7.5, half of this side. In the similar way, if I say you know the length of the side BC, which is 9, you can also know the length of the side which is parallel to BC. Okay. I hope so the figure is clear for you. If you know I am talking about BC side is given, which is 9 centimeter, you can also find out the side OR, because OR is parallel to BC, but OR is half of BC. So you have to divide 9 by 2 and you will get 4.5 centimeter. Similar way, 15 centimeter is the you have to half of the 15 centimeter, which is 7.5 centimeter, and RQ is 7.5 centimeter. So the two triangles I have drawn, which are both right angle triangles, and in the question number 11 you have to do this thing. Okay, you have to make two lengths L1 and L2, and you have to use Pythagoras theorem twice to find the length and solve the question in the similar way. That's all. Your exercise 12A will be completed. You have to do it up to question number 12.